Do you want to win real big in this year 2025? If yes, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 things to do that will make this year the greatest year of your life. They are quite simple and basic, but if you can engage it, then of course, you'll be able to get a desired result. Before we jump in, this video is a 3-part series. The first part is how to set goals. The second part is how to achieve your goals. And now the third part is how to make this year the greatest year of your life. So if you've not seen the first video, the second video, do well to go and check it out. How to make this year the greatest year of your life. Number 1, strategically position yourself on social media and intentionally show up. Put out your content, because whether you like it or not, there is someone somewhere that needs what you have to offer. It's that simple. Go get a professional picture, edit your profile, let it look professional, so the message you're trying to pass across is not being misinterpreted by your profile. Social media is more of a tool that you can use to amplify your message. If you are not showing your work, then I'm sorry. It may become difficult for people to see you and patronize your business, as the case may be. Also, don't just go on social media, upload your works and run off. No. Engage on other people's posts. Like their posts, comment on their posts, and after a while, you begin to see the pattern between those people that are uploading things that gives you value, that resonates with you. Then it's time for you to send them a direct message. Go to their DM and send them a message. Try to build this sense of relationship. It's beyond going online to just like, comment, and then leave. Build personal relationships. And personally, I've done this. I remember I sent a lady a message on LinkedIn. She gave me a recommendation that would help me so much in my own career and my professional life. That is one. Engage on people's posts. I dropped a comment on a lady's post on LinkedIn. Someone saw the comment, came to my page, sent me a message to confirm if what I had said there was true. And of course it was true, because I wrote there about my academic journey, my academic results, about my GPA and CGPA when I got the 5.00 in one section. He was so impressed, and he happens to be a student. So he sent me a message to confirm this thing, and I said, yes, I'm an academic mentor and I help students to achieve academic excellence. And that has begun a journey. So just maybe your refusal to engage on people's posts is robbing you of client. So strategically position yourself on social media, engage on people's posts, and show up intentionally. Number 2, just start. Yeah, that's right. Just start. Launch that NGO you've always wanted. Write that book. Start that business. Start YouTube. Whatever is in your heart that you think you should do in this season, then of course, just start. Yeah, you may be saying, I'm not too prepared. It's not the perfect timing. What if they don't accept me? In truth, there is no guarantee anywhere. Just start. You will find your tribe along the way. You will get it right along the way. But sustain a mindset of excellence. Because when you start, if you have this kind of mindset, then of course, it forces you to improve on your content, improve on yourself, improve on your business. Then of course, you'll be just on your way to making this year the greatest year of your life. Number 3, take your financial records. As you are spending money, as you are receiving money, write it down. The exact amount, for what purpose. These can give you an idea of how much you spend at the end of the year. You can now know, probably lose your job or something happened somewhere. You just know how much is enough to sustain you within 6 months or to sustain you in a year, all things being equal. So if I'm saving, I know how many years that can carry me, right? So take financial record. So what I do basically is, on my notepad in my phone, on Monday, I write the things I spent on Monday. On Tuesday, what I spend, I write it down. Or any amount I receive, I write it down. Then at the end of the week, I transfer it to a notebook. Then I start over again the next week. So this made me to crack my financial record last year. The fourth way to make this year the greatest year of your life is unsubscribe from newsletter, YouTube channels that no longer serve you. There are so many of us that have emails, 2,000 emails we've not opened. Why? Because we subscribe to certain newsletters that keep sending us email that we no longer are interested in. Go to your phone right now, unsubscribe from those newsletters, unsubscribe from the YouTube channel that no longer serve you. The goal is to just remove certain distractions, certain things that are no longer needed in your life. Then it should not even come into your life in the first place. There should be this gate that prevents these things from entering into your life. Also, Leave those WhatsApp groups that no longer serve you. Stop receiving notifications that you don't need in your life. Yes, as simple as it sounds. Because you see, sometimes you can miss an opportunity. Probably an email was sent to you from an organization you applied to get a job from, and now, because of those other emails you no longer need, you just leave it there, you don't open it, and then the deadline passes and you miss that opportunity. Why? Because you have too many emails you are not opening and you don't need, and now you'll miss that opportunity. So unsubscribe from YouTube channels that no longer serve you, unsubscribe from newsletter, leave those WhatsApp group, and you'll be just fine. Number 5, follow your heart, follow your instincts, follow your inner voice. This is the key to living a fulfilling life. This is one of the ways you can make this year one of the greatest years of your life, is to follow your heart and do those things that you think, that you believe you should be doing in this time and this season of your life. Enough of the procrastination. It's time to sit down, write down those things, focus on them, see them through until it becomes a reality. I hope you found value in this video. Do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon so you get notified when I post new videos.